Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will take a close look at two popular options: the Zenu portable washing machine and the Miheki portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for small loads and limited spaces, making them ideal for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to motor power, the Miheki portable washing machine takes the lead with a powerful 520 RPM motor, which provides a more thorough cleaning experience. In contrast, the Zenu model features a standard motor that, while effective for light loads, may not handle heavily soiled items as efficiently. If you prioritize cleaning power, the Miheki is the better choice. Another important factor to consider is noise level. The Zenu portable washing machine is known for its quieter operation, making it suitable for use in shared living spaces. On the other hand, the Miheki model, while powerful, is reported to be noisier, which may be a concern for those sensitive to sound. If peace and quiet are essential for you, the Zenu might be the way to go. Lastly, let's discuss drying functionality. The Miheki portable washing machine includes a built-in drain function that aids in drying, making it a more versatile option for users who want to reduce drying time. In contrast, the Zenu model does not offer any drying features, which means you'll need to air dry your clothes after washing. If quick drying is a priority, the Miheki is the better option. In conclusion, both the Zenu and Miheki portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Zenu is a simple, quiet, and affordable option for basic cleaning, while the Miheki offers a more powerful wash and a partial drying function. Consider your budget and specific needs when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.